Good afternoon. It is an extremely windy day in Herman. Train came in late, or maybe this is going to be their regular time now. But this is the only video I'm getting today. I am hoping to get more on Thursday. Today, of course, is Tuesday, the day after the big Memorial Day weekend. Thanks to all those who served and lost family. It's hard to tell if they're coming or not because it's so windy and there's so many people driving back and forth. I hope you can hear me. I hope the wind isn't getting under my little covers here. I can feel the train more than I can hear it coming. I think they might have log cars. I'm not sure. There was a bunch down at the fiber yard. Yeah, that's them coming. Here they come. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Coming up to Joe's Creek, the first bridge out of Herman. There's the bell. Sweet. Little chime in there. I guess they didn't pick up the log cars. I guess that means maybe Thursday. There's the DSS&A railroad boarding house. Going down fast. Okay, let's see here. Since this is a short video, let's follow them a little bit. Terrible pollen. Popple trees. Popples and... oh, I forget what those other ones are called. That release their little white fluffies. That garbage pile there is sweet for this picture, eh? Let's see if we can just get it out of here. Whoops, that's as close as I get. Shucks. Afraid the wind was going to blow my tripod over there over a couple of times. See, once they make the curve there, they start a little bit of a climb. UPS. Beautiful. Looks like that's going to be pretty much it, eh? The old Herman. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Short but sweet. Thank you for watching. Thanks to my new subscribers. Awesome, I'm over 1,000. I can't believe it. I never dreamed I'd get 100, let alone 1,000. Anyhow, thanks for joining me on this journey, and we'll catch up with you on Thursday. Bye for now. See you trackside.